Present perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action that begins in past and still occurring in the present. So structure of present perfect continuous structure of present perfect continuous tense is first we use subject and plus have plus been and plus verb plus ing form and plus since and for. Example of present perfect continuous tense is I have been sleeping since 10 a.m. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो मैं सुबह 10 बजे से सो रहा हूँ, तो सो रहा हूँ मीन्स काम वर्क इज स्टार्ट सिंस मॉर्निंग एंड हैपनिंग इज प्रेजेंट. And another example is that we have been living together for 4 years. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you taught actually present perfect continuous. Do you have the handout of that? Yeah, I got it. Good. Has been, have been, and since for. This is good. Keep it up, right? और since for का भी थोड़ा सा आपको बताना चाहिए. Since for period of point of time.
Yes, sir.
For period of time, right? Good job. Present continuous actions.